Hi there, students. Neurotic, an adjective. Neurotically, the adverb. A neurotic, a person. So, a neurotic is a person who behaves neurotically and suffers from a neurosis. Neurosis is the noun, the characteristic. Okay, so if you're neurotic, you're over anxious about things. Yeah, there are things that you worry too much about. So I can be neurotic about time. Oh my God, we're going to be a minute late. A minute? Who cares? Yeah. So let's see. If you describe something as neurotic, you're saying that they are too worried about things that really aren't of any real importance. They are over anxious. A neurotic is always worrying about things. So I would say he's neurotic about catching COVID. He's been in his house for more than a year now and hasn't come out. That's unreasonable. Yeah. So a neurotic, this is somebody who is very anxious about things. I think maybe in psychiatry you also would say that somebody who is neurotic they're a bit emotionally unstable. Yeah. Let's see. A neurosis. It's a mental disorder, which means you have a distorted perception of reality. Yeah, so yeah, it's important not to be late, but 1 minute, that's distorted. Yeah, and a neurosis is less distorted than psychosis. Yeah, but I don't think the psychiatrists use these words neurotic or neurosis anymore. Yeah, so somebody who's neurotic, they're emotionally unstable. They get really upset about little things. They are too worried about stuff. Yeah, I guess we've all got our own little neuroses about different things. Yeah, but effectively neurosis, this means you're nervous and anxious. You're worried about things that other people consider unimportant. So if I say, come on, stop being so neurotic, I'm saying you're really frightened or really worried about things that I consider unimportant. Yeah, and I'm criticizing you, I'm being disapproving. So let's see, it's good to be cautious, but being paranoid about everything, that's rather neurotic behavior. Yeah, that goes too far. Yeah, let's see. Just because you're paranoid doesn't mean they're not out to get you. But being overly worried about people out to get you would be neurotic. Okay, so a neurotic individual, they're over anxious, they're highly strung, they're very jumpy. Yeah, they're unstable. They're obsessive, compulsive, manic. They're hyper about things. So he was neurotic about the food that he ate and that everything had to be clean. He was neurotic about going to restaurants because he was convinced that he was going to get food poisoning and that the kitchen wouldn't be clean enough. So yeah, if the kitchen in a restaurant's very dirty, then that's not a good thing. But most of them aren't, and it's no need to be obsessive compulsive about that. Yeah, to be neurotically obsessive. Okay, so neurotic, it's somebody who's really stressed out about things, but unreasonably stressed out about it. And as I said, I think we're all neurotic to some degree or another. So neurotic, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere. I don't think they actually use this anymore in psychology, so just use it to say somebody's too worried, too anxious about things. And then this word actually comes from ancient Greek, neuron, meaning a nerve. They were neurons in your brain. So neurotic, nervous sick. Yeah, you've got a problem with the nerves. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A neurotic has neurosis.